Ariev, sir, how to get internships as a student and what are the tools I need to know and what should be the level of understanding of the tools and what is the best place to apply for internships? Wow, that's 10 questions packed into one. So let's go. How to get internships as a student. Start applying right away as you are studying already. Don't wait until you're done. Think ahead and start applying already. That's number one. What are the tools you need to know? Linux, containerization, one programming language. Those are the three things I would recommend. Start with those, and then it depends on where you get it. But if you're looking for a more cloud oriented, then obviously one cloud. Get some experience with it. But again, it's an internship. So to your next question, what should be the level of understanding of the tools? It honestly doesn't have to be much. I mean, like Linux, you have to know if you have to be able to to run a Linux system and to debug it. But seriously, if you're able to install Arch Linux the manly way, doing it with the install wiki without an install script and encrypting your drives, if you're manly enough to do that, you are far beyond a uh, intern level already in terms of Linux. And then Python, I would say like fundamentals, knowing what a function is, knowing what a variable is, being able to write scripts without AI, like simple programs, iterating over files and such like. If you have that level, if someone comes to me with that Arch Linux level and Python fundamentals, then I know they can be a successful intern and a junior engineer, in my opinion. And what's the best place to apply? I would say your local market or the market that you want to be in. So check out your local market. If there's nothing there, find a city or a place that you can move to and then apply there. That is the best place to apply. After learning all the basics, what's next? Yeah, that is the question. Well, that's